Good evening. This is the market update for buy sell short for Tuesday, December 18th. Let's jump in. Going to be a quick video tonight. We're starting off with the Dow 15-minute chart, and as you can see, we just exploded over the last day. It seems more and more likely, even though the politicians keep coming out and going back and forth, that we're going to get some sort of fiscal deal, and the market is off to the races. What's funny is we woke up this morning with news of a move by the president going to 400K and above for the new taxes. That looked like a positive sign, and then the Republicans coming out and saying, yeah, no, we're still fighting for the millionaires, and we're going to come up with a plan that stops the increases for incomes 1 million and under. So the market actually popped on that, just thinking that, we're starting to see movement back and forth, and we should see some sort of deal hopefully in the next few days. So that has ignited what appears to be a Santa rally. Keep in mind, just like Thanksgiving week, volumes can be a little bit muted the week before Christmas as well, and tend to have an upside bias, and so far, so good. Looking at the Dow daily, after we dipped below that uptrend line from the November lows, we have powered back big time over the last couple of days, and we're within a stone's throw, a couple of days away from retesting the all-time highs. The charts have reversed. We are seeing all the moving averages starting to curl higher, and the level we need to pay attention to now is the 50-day moving average. If we stay above it, we are bullish. If we break below it, we could be in some sort of danger. Russell also extended its move over the last couple of days, and this too looks like it wants to threaten its highs in the coming days. We saw a lot of action in a lot of stocks today, but most of it was in the large cap stocks, and that is typical on a 100-plus point up-day move in the market. The days after such a move tend to see the action spread to the small cap stocks. So we should start to see some very, very nice action in those stocks starting tomorrow. SMSI, kaboom! Almost hitting our 200-day 171 moving average target. 163 high of the day today. A phenomenal winner for us over the last couple of days, and just the beginning of the tax seller pops we are starting to see, and the January pop / Santa Claus rally moves. Our new play today is UPIP, Unwired Planet. Downtrend over the last couple of months. Nice base in place here in the 120s. We peaked above the 50-day moving average and closed right on it today. There was some impatient selling by some traders into the close, and then a large 80K block right on the bell. So that's the reason this stock was being subdued. But the key here, and go to the website, I posted an article on it. UPIP is the quintessential January popper play. I put an article on the website. 12 years in a row, UPIP is up from now into the middle of January. That averages a 29% return. That sort of move would take us right up to our first target zone of up there, 170, 180. 12 years in a row. I think that's one of the longest active January popper trends I've seen in a long time. So not only is this a patent play and a tax loss sell play, it is a January popper play and is set up very, very nicely for a continuation move. I would be a buyer 135 and under on this one. 155, 170, and $2 targets on this one. BLLN, Bridgeline Software. You may remember this one from back in October when we were buying that breakout up there at the 126, 130 level, and the stock ended up doubling over the course of a month after that. We had a good, very good earnings report on this stock a couple of weeks ago, but given the substantial move up it had, there was a sell the news reaction, and that probably exacerbated the tax loss selling. We've put a nice base in here at the 200-day moving average. It is also an uptrend line. And as you can see, per the green line, this is a stock that loves to trade at its 20-day exponential. which right now is sitting at a $1.71, 15% higher, which is our first target. Very, very nice January popper setup. It reminds me a lot of OCLR, which I was meaning to have us buy today, but it went boom. Sold off, consolidated, broke out. So BLIN would be accumulating this one $1.50 and under. 171 to $2 is the target here, with sport at the uptrend line and the 200-day moving average at 141. Last one I'm going to mention, I'm just going to go over the new plays today. IGIO. This was one we got a monster 40% winner on a week or so ago. Has come back nicely over the last few days, all the way back down to the 50-day moving average. This is also a January popper play. They are at the CES Consumer Electronics Show in early January, showcasing their iPhone, Android, solar cell phone chargers. And this has set up nicely. 200-day moving average at 50 cents is the target. Would be accumulating this one 32 cents and under for a run into the CES and a January popper play. Now we've got a lot of active stocks. Pop scans have been very, very nice. I just went over the new plays we have right now. If you've got any questions on our old plays, just hit me up in the chat room tomorrow or shoot me an email. Now is the time to start getting active. We are in the middle of a Santa Claus rally. This is when the January popper plays start to wake up. We are looking to start to accumulate plays, and our signal to slow down would be a breakdown in the market on no fiscal cliff deal under the 50-day moving average, 13K to 13,100. Otherwise, it's time to start accumulating plays for the annual runs we see in stocks into mid to late January. So that's it for the video. If you've got any questions, just as I said, shoot me an email or hit me up in the chat room tomorrow, and I will see you guys there. Have a great night. Bye.